thought I'd show you some bits that are in my salon. Like, they've got some new Easter stuff in. So that drink I had was a cinnamon swirl latte in Greg's with oat milk. I advise that if you haven't had it, if you like that kind of thing. Dewey's a pied waxer. Hey, Dew. I have been meaning to ask if anyone knows of good places in Walt Disney World to have breakfast, like a booked sit down table service meal. Not a Hana, not Topolino. Open to suggestions. It's so cold today. If you saw yesterday, I didn't vlog much. We went out and then just like got pie and cake and sat down with my mother. Today we've been out again, and it's just like one of those weekends, you know, when you just get bits done. But today as a family we're going to be watching Harry Potter and have some more of my pie. I love my shepherd's pie. I have it with, is it a shepherd's pie? The vegan one. So I have it with like vegan mince, obviously. I'm really fussy when it comes to mince, always have been, but the like corn mince I find like cardboard. I find like I am that person who like an omnivore will like talk to me and be like, I don't like vegan food because it tastes like cardboard, and I'm like, no, it's not just you, it's like I have taste buds, you know. Like some foods like do have the texture of cardboard to me. So like the corn mince personally, I was never a fan of it, so I get like I've tried other mints, but like I find like anything's better than the corn mince personally. So I have that, and it's got juicy potatoes on the top because I'm Irish, I love my potatoes. So I don't know if I showed you yesterday, I just finished reading The Old Curiosity Shop by Charles Dickens. It was my first Charles Dickens. I picked this up in like an old, not an antique store. It was a charity shop that I picked this up in. It's gorgeous, isn't it? So yeah, I picked this up and gave it to my mum for Mother's Day like a few years ago. And she read it, and then I read it, my first Charles Dickens. Even though I've been to his grave, massively respect the guy. And I love Christmas Carol, and I've actually seen Old Curiosity Shop. Never read Christmas Carol. As I said, this is my first Charles Dickens read. So if you can advise which one to go for next, I'm thinking like Great Expectations, to be honest. Don't you hate it when you've done your nails all nice and they all like just start peeling after like 2 or 3 days? That noise is Drew, by the way, the robot hoover. I keep today going to like say or ask something and it just going right out of my head, so whilst I remember, if you also have vlogs like Walt Disney World vlogs, Disney vlogs, stuff like that, comment like your channel or like even your Instagram below. So little birdie update, and I already gave you one with the pad bag sale, but we put up a bird box yesterday and straight away a wren came and sat on it. We weren't expecting a wren to be the first bird to check it out.